Got a new shade for the light by the stairwell. Hopefully this is a exact match. I think it will be. Yeah, it certainly seems like it will be. Maybe a touch shorter, maybe, but I think it'll be close enough. There's a bunch of stupid comments in that video. People say, "What did you expect was going to happen?" Well, I thought that the expectation was fairly obvious, which was for the bulb to break, not the shade. So here's our busted shade. Now I thought this would be very strong because these are commercial grade lights, and you know, if you look at the area where the threads are, it's quite thick, and it feels pretty thick all the way down, but I guess down here it becomes a lot thinner. Probably thinner than a light bulb is down there. Let's see. Yeah, that's pretty much an identical match. This one looks a little bit less, the old one has like a texture to it. And it's kind of a little discolored, like greenish around the edges. This one doesn't have that texture. This one is a lot heavier. I bet this one is, no, we're not going to try it, but I bet this one is the same thickness all the way through. This is very heavy at the end, whereas this one is not. So this is probably a better quality globe. It's got a little bit of a haze in there, but we'll just clean it next time I change the bulb. Perfect. Back to normal.